Hello and welcome to episode 6 of Talking Politics with Nistula Hebbar here at The Hindu, where we unpack the news making the headlines in domestic politics this week. Exactly a week after the results of the assembly polls in 4 states and 1 union territory, Assam got its 15th chief minister in the shape of former finance and health minister of the state, Himanta Biswa Sarma. Why did it take so long to choose a chief minister for a state where the BJP has a comfortable majority? Well, simple fact being that when they went into the polls, the chief minister was Sarbananda Sonowal, and the party, in its wisdom, had decided that rather than automatically project the chief ministerial face as the incumbent chief minister, they would fight under the aegis of a collective leadership. Now, what signal did it give? It gave a signal that after the election results are announced, if the party wins, the choice will not automatically devolve upon Mr. Sonowal as the chief minister. Now, why is that so? Well, it all goes back to when Mr. Himanta Biswa Sarma left the Congress around 2014-15 and joined the BJP. He had been a long-time congressman, a close aide of late Chief Minister Tarun Gogoi, and had been his go-to man in terms of, getting back to power again and again in the state from 2006 till 2016. But when this question of political succession started being discussed in Assam, it seemed as though Mr. Gogoi was keen to project his son, now Lok Sabha, second term Lok Sabha MP Gaurav Gogoi, rather than his old protege Himanta Biswa Sarma. Mr. Sarma did not find this acceptable. The Congress High Command did not handle the situation very well. And despite personal attacks on him by the state BJP at that time on issues of corruption and other controversies, etc., Mr. Sarma was inducted into the BJP.
2011 का बाद जो गवर्नेंस है ये कम्प्लीटली कोलैप्स हो गया इस टाइम 7 साल में ये पहला बार ये स्थिति आया है कि एंटायर स्टेट प्लान एलोकेशन हैज बीन विथड्रॉन सो ये 60 इयर्स में ये हालत कभी नहीं आ रहा था तो ये जो गोगोई साहब जिस ढंग से गवर्नमेंट को चला रहा है सो फॉर द नेक्स्ट गवर्नमेंट ही विल ओनली गिव ए टोटल एम्प्टी कॉफर मेरा लगा कि जो बीजेपी का नेतृत्व है या प्राइम मिनिस्टर जी है उनका स्ट्रांग लीडरशिप में हम लोग असम को आगे ले जा सकता हूं तो इसलिए मेरा हिस्सा था कि हम लोग बीजेपी में ज्वाइन करो तो कल बीजेपी का राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष अमित शाह जी से हम लोग का मुलाकात हुआ ये आखिर डिसाइड हुआ कि हम लोग बीजेपी में ज्वाइन करेगा
बीजेपी ऑन इट्स पार्ट realized that in Mr. Sarma they had an asset who understood the entire Congress machinery, who understood the issues, etc. in Assam very well, and would help the party come to power. And therefore, not only was he given a lot of space to operate within the state BJP, but later in the entire region of the Northeast, where he became the convener of the NEDA, which is the Northeastern Development Alliance. And it was under his watch that BJP-led governments came up in Manipur and Arunachal Pradesh, and the BJP had interesting alliances and fruitful alliances in Meghalaya and Nagaland. So when it came to 2021 and the entire question of who would be chief minister, Mr. Sarma found his situation much better than it was in 2016. In politics, however, careers also point to different ways in which politics evolves. And in the future career of Mr. Sonowal, we can also be tracking the changes that have taken place within the BJP. For the BJP, it has been a leap of faith and an uncharacteristic move where they removed a sitting chief minister replaced him with somebody else, somebody who was came much later into the party than the chief minister that they have removed. But Mr. Sonowal need not lose all hope. Former Home Minister of India, Sushil Kumar Shinde, found himself in the same position in 2004, which Mr. Sonowal finds himself in 2021, where he had to give way to Vilas Rao Deshmukh as Chief Minister of Maharashtra, despite the fact that the Congress had come to power, returned to power in Maharashtra under his chief ministership. So therefore, all we can say at this point is that in politics, there's never a last day. And I will be seeing you again next week. Thank you very much for being with us.